If you're planning a trip to Amsterdam soon, today we're talking about one of the most iconic things you have to do when you're visiting the city, a canal cruise. But here's the deal, not all boat rides are created equal. Whether you're looking for a relaxing, history-filled tour or more of a booze cruise kind of thing, there are different canal cruises for every vibe. So what kind of cruiser are you? Here are some of the top canal cruise options and what you can expect from each experience. If you're the type who loves a little backstory or just wants to impress your friends with random facts, a history-focused canal cruise is the way to go. Picture yourself gliding past Amsterdam's iconic leaning houses while learning why they tilt. Hint, it's not just for aesthetics. This cruise is perfect for travelers who want a calm and thoughtful experience, or anyone who thinks that history trivia equals party tips. Here's a tip for this kind of cruise. Bring earbuds if you're doing an audio guide. Boat engines can get noisy, and missing fun facts about bridges is basically a crime. If you're all about the vibes, sunsets, and dreamy photo shoots, then you should book a sunset cruise. These tours often include drinks, soft lighting, and enough ambiance to make anyone swoon, even if you're just third wheeling your besties. This tour is perfect for couples, solo travelers who love a serene setting, or anyone hoping for that perfect Instagram shot. Here's a tip for this cruise. If you are dressing up for a photo shoot, don't forget to add some layers because sometimes the canals can get breezy after sundown. If you like to party and you're all about mixing views with vibes, then you should book a boozy night cruise. This is more like a floating pregame or a casual party under the stars. It's perfect for friend groups ready to turn up, solo travelers looking to mingle, or anyone who believes sightseeing should come with a side of Prosecco. If you're the person who plans trips around where you'll eat, then you'll need a dinner cruise. Enjoying the gourmet food while gliding through Amsterdam's waterways is next level dining. This is perfect for couples on a fancy date night, solo travelers living their best treat yourself life, or anyone who thinks wine is better paired with views. And if you're not about that bougie boat life, not a problem. A hop-on hop-off canal boat is your low-cost ticket to exploring Amsterdam. It's a water taxi with charm, and it gets the job done. This is more for travelers on a budget, people who hate set schedules, and folks who want to see the city at their own pace. No matter what your vibe is, there are a few must-knows to make your canal cruise smooth sailing. Number one, always book ahead. Amsterdam's cruises are popular. Whether it's high season or on a random Tuesday, snag those tickets in advance. Also, dress smart. Amsterdam weather is like your moody friend, unpredictable. Layers are your besties. Number three, timing is everything. Early morning cruises equals fewer crowds, great lighting, and a chill vibe. Evening cruises are definitely more romantic, but they'll also be a little colder, and peak tourist time equals brace yourself. Number four, some cruises provide food, but others don't. Always check ahead, and if you need to, bring some snacks. And last but not least, always arrive early. Boats don't wait for latecomers. Don't be the person sprinting to the dock as your rider glides away. Make sure to check out the description for more information on these cruises, and have a great time in Amsterdam.